Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be creating a galaxy eyeshadow look. So I have never created a galaxy eyeshadow look, so I'm really excited to be creating this galaxy eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I create this galaxy eyeshadow look, oh, by the way, it's not only eyeshadow, it's like my whole face, like my cheeks, my nose. So if you're ready to see how I create this, let's jump right into it. So first of all, I'm going to be grabbing my concealer, my Instant Age Rewind right here. It's in color light pale. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding it like how I usually apply my concealer in my face. So, like so. Then I'm going to grab my blender. Yeah. And just be tapping it in here. Yeah. Okay, once we have all that blended in, we're going to start with the fun part. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing this palette right here. Does not have a name. Have to look, I really have to look up the name because I could decorate it probably and put the name in here or something. Okay, so I'm going to open this and it has 3 sections of eyeshadows. So what we're going to do, we're going to be grabbing we're going to go in with the purple, like okay, so this is it. We're going to be going with a little bit of purple, pink, and blue. So I think I'm going to go in with this purple right here. So I'm going to be grabbing my brush, which I'm going to be grabbing this brush right here. And I'm going to be grabbing this purple right here. And I'm going to dip into that purple. And then apply it into the lid. Okay, now I'm going to be grabbing another brush. I'm going to be grabbing this brush right here. And I'm going to be using the blue. So I'm going to be grabbing this blue right here. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing this blue right here. And I'm just going to tap the excess out. And then... Okay, I think maybe a darker blue. So I'm going to go up here. Go to this up here. Perfect. Okay, now with another brush, I'm grabbing this fluffy brush right here. I'm going to be grabbing the pink, which I think I'm going to be grabbing this pink right here. So I'm going to dab into that pink. And then I'm going to be applying it right there. So I'm going to grab the other brush that I have gotten for the purple. And I'm actually going to jump into the top one right here. There's another one right here. So I'm going to dip into those two. It's like look more purplish. And blend it in there. Okay. So like I said, it doesn't matter like if it's dirty because we're going to be like painting all over it. So everywhere. So it doesn't really matter. Okay. So we're going to be grabbing those colors. So I'm going to be grabbing that bluish kind of color and tapping the excess off. And then I'm just going to be applying it in here. This is a fun part, okay, because you see this is blue. Actually going to drag a little bit more blue down, but just the tiniest, try to make it like light, not too dark. So I'm just grabbing my brush and going. I'm just going to be dragging it down, kind of like that. Color, I look weird. I know, guys. Bear with me. I know I look weird. And then right here, up here, I'm going to be adding a little bit of pink with purple. So I'm going to mix those colors together. And just a tiny bit right there. Okay. Okay, then we're going to, in my tip, I'm going to be putting pink. My actual tip right here. I'm going to be grabbing the purple. I'm going to grab my purple brush, and I'm just going to add a little bit in there. Just like, there we go. And then we're going to be grabbing that purple because we wanted some purple in here. So we're going to be grabbing a little bit of purple in here and just... liner right here. It won't focus, which I do want to use, but then again, it's really, really hard to take off, but I'm gonna work with it. So actually, I'm not even gonna use this brush because this already has like a perfect tip for it. So then I'm just going to be applying little stars in here. Okay, so we have this. What, baby? She's staring at me like, what the hell are you doing, mama? And then I'm just gonna do, I'm actually gonna grab this brush right here, the one I have showed you. Huh. And then I'm just gonna put like little dabs. But, you know, you kind of get the hang like how we're gonna do it. And then all we're gonna do is dab little dots. So that pretty much looks pretty good. So let me do my eyeliner, put my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on, my wing. Now I'm going to be going with my e.l.f. Moonlight Pearled. And I'm going to grab this little brush right here and dip into there. And just apply it right in here. Just a little bit of highlight. So this one is not that of a highlight as the other one I have. So it's good because it's just a natural kind of highlight. And I am going to apply just a little bit in here. A little bit maybe. So it could look like the star is like bright. You know? Okay. Now, I am going to do a little bit in here. See, just the colors. So I'm just going to be grabbing the brush with the same brush colors I have. Not too much. Okay, now I am officially done, but we're missing the lips. So for the lips, I'm just gonna go with the natural kind of look with Candy K, which is the usual one that I usually go. So it's from Kissing Beauty Glaze, and I'm just gonna go in. But I don't have a gloss, so I really need to get me some glosses because I don't have it yet. Well, guys, then this is the finished look. Of course, if you want to contour, you can. You could just contour your cheeks down here, make it bronze it a little bit, or it's up to you. Or you could just have it like this, which is freaking cool. I really, really love it. Like I said, guys, I'm not an artist. I tried. So I hope you enjoy and like this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified whenever I create new videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love y'all.